Here's an astonishing story that occurred in the last few days. So, a few months ago, Silicon Valley Marc Andreessen made headlines when he sent $50,000 in Bitcoin to an autonomous AI agent called Truth Terminal. After 3 months, this AI agent has nearly turned that small sum into $1 million through crypto trading. The Millionaire AI Agent. It sounds like something out of a movie, but it happened now. An AI robot agent has found a cheat code to millionaire status, and it's not just a scam. This AI is outperforming humans in ways we never expected. And here's the crazy part. You don't need to be a genius to understand it. How it all started. Marc Andreessen's gamble. The autonomous AI agent, Truth Terminal, was developed by Andy Airy as an experiment in autonomous AI. It started tweeting about the Goatse gospel, which quickly gained attention online. Inspired by this, a developer launched the GOAT meme coin using the popularity of meme culture. The meme coin's value increased, reaching $290 million. Andreessen's $50,000 was sent to support AI research. Yet, in an unexpected twist, the $50,000 was converted to an incredible $1 million revenue. Comparing the AI millionaire to real people, the AI's success might seem scary to some people. After all, it's a machine. But think of it like this. When Warren Buffett or Elon Musk invest, they focus on strategy, data analysis, and trends, just like this AI. The difference? The AI can process 10,000 times the data as compared to a human. But even for human investors, the same principles apply. Maybe we can try to find the right steps to replicate the agent's success. Thus, when it comes down to success, it means there can be some ways to increase our money using, but not limited to, crypto. Why you should care, the future of wealth. Here's the thing. AI isn't just a tool for the rich or genius people. The very same technology that made this robot a millionaire is becoming easier to access. Real estate investments and digital marketing. AI robots are jumping into industries, and we can barely keep up. Imagine a world where you could have an AI keeping tabs on your finances, giving you advice on investments, or even launching your business ideas without any limits. But while robots are rising, millions of people are still stuck, unable to accept this fact. Some people believe AI is just a fraud, willing to close their eyes to the truth. Comments on similar videos showed different reactions from people. One user wrote, "If this is 100% true, then money has no real value." Another has an interesting take on this topic. Given the little things I've been able to do, I'm convinced there's already agents running small internet scams. The big question is, will you be left behind, or will you use AI to level up your business as well? The future of AI and wealth creation. Truth Terminal's rise to millionaire status is not just some story. It's a look into the future of wealth creation. With more than 190 million people unemployed worldwide, this AI journey shows how technology could open new doors for growth in finance, making AI agents important in reshaping the economy. As AI agents continue to be developed in our financial systems, the question arises, could AI agents replace traditional investors with the ability to work forever, process huge data in seconds, and make decisions without emotions? The next big wealth creators might not be humans. The real takeaway, you can do this too. So what does this mean for you? Here's the secret. AI isn't the enemy. It's the key to unlocking your potential in business. It's here to help you build wealth, grow your investments, and manage your business. Smarter, faster, and simpler. The robot cracked the millionaire code because it was designed to think like the best. And soon, we'll all have this kind of technology. So whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or just someone looking to get ahead in life, the AI millionaire shows us one important truth. Adapt or be left behind. Subscribe and like for more interesting news on AI robots and new technology. Share with your friends and keep them updated on the latest in AI.